I formally welcome all the panelists and all the audience here on behalf of Pathfinder Citadel. It's entrepreneurship. I sometimes wonder why it's so daunting a word itself, and sometimes it gives fears and haunts and scares to so many young people who actually wishes to tread on this path. They could be longer steps, there could be lengthy definitions, complex jargons, and things like that dash the entrepreneurship. But as I understand it, in a nutshell, it's basically commercialization of an idea. How effective you do it, how fastly you do it, and how in consonance with the market you do it is what entrepreneurship is.
So entrepreneurship like मतलब जिसमें कि हम लोग कहते हैं कि we are starting a new thing or new idea. The main thing is the research of the market. We are going to deploy that idea. हमारे यहाँ पे जो failures होते हैं उसमें main reason होती है कि the idea we are going to implement, ठीक है, उसमें it cannot generate finance. मतलब basic चीज़ तो ये है कि आप ऐसा आइडिया सोचें और उसकी जो क्या उसकी मार्केट डिमांड अवेलेबल है, क्या उस मार्केट डिमांड के अंदर मैं अपने आइडिया को बना के और उसके बाद उसे रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर सकता हूँ. हमने भी मतलब मुझे तकरीबन 25 से 30 साल हो गए. इन 25 से 30 सालों में मैंने कई आइडियाज ऐसे किए कि जो कि प्रॉपर रिसर्च नहीं थी और बाद में एंड प्रोडक्ट का निकला कि उसमें हमें फेलियर हुआ, हमें उसको प्रोडक्ट को बंद करना पड़ा. सो मतलब मेरा तो इसके बारे में यही है कि मार्केट रिसर्च शुड बी देयर सो दैट आई मीन दी व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट वो उसके फंड्स या चीज क्रिएट कर सके ताकि उसके अंदर सस्टेनेबिलिटी आए.
If you want it, create it. Don't wait for someone that he'll get you a job or he'll, waiting for some company to hire you. एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है आपके पास कोई लेटर हेड हो, आपकी कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड हो या आपका कोई फिजिकल स्टोर हो. इफ़ यू हैव अ स्किल यू कैन मेक अ गिग. लिंक्डइन है, अपवर्क है, फाइवर है. यू हैव क्लाइंट्स, इट मीन्स यू आर मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट. इट मीन्स यू आर
रिस्क फैक्टर्स हमारे पास यही है कि हमें सबसे पहला तो डर होता है कि फेलियर का, कि अगर मैं कोई बिजनेस शुरू करूं और मैं फेल हो जाऊं, मेरी जो सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट था वो भी ज़ाया हो जाए. तो सबसे पहले तो हमारे जो अगर हमने एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है तो हमारे अंदर ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि हम रिजिलियंट हो, कि हम बाउंस बैक कर सकें. हम अपने फेलियर से ही नहीं सीखेंगे तो हम किस तरह से आगे बढ़ेंगे.
The first fear of failure is the main point that they have in their minds, that they can't adapt to it. That what if we fail and how will we cope up to it? The cope up point of the failure should be away from the mindset if you're starting a business. That is the main part of being an entrepreneur.
I will like to make my argument in a way that it focuses both on the supply and demand side. So while government is basically responsible for giving the supply side infrastructure as well, just like our friend, I think he was sitting somewhere here, pointed out the lack of internet connectivity in some areas. So it is the responsibility of the government, and we are already paying for it. So out of the payment we do for the telecom service provision, some part of it goes to the universal service fund that was only developed for the remote area internet connectivity. So that side unfortunately has not been covered, and that also shows you the priority of the government, because that fund has paid off your circular debt for 2 times. So that might give you an idea of what the regulator is thinking about.
We want to bring something new, and we want to mix profit making with real world problems like sustainability, inclusivity. We want to mix them. We want to collaborate with other institutes, and we don't take our peers as competition. We like to collaborate. So I think our nature is perfectly fitted on today's fast changing world.
In Pakistan, where we live, if we were to focus on the challenges, I would say that there are 2 things that we face really greatly. First of all, in Pakistan, we have created this whole stereotype that, when you're younger, you're not supposed to be right about stuff. Basically alienating those young minds who have so many ideas, who have so much to contribute. Secondly, I would like to talk about gender discrimination in Pakistan. Pakistan. I feel like this is the reason many women who are extremely capable, whether it's cooking, whether it's sewing, understand that even these small hobbies they have can contribute towards our GDP, can contribute towards our economy as a whole, boosting us forward.
I really felt that this entrepreneurship is a function of space and time. Although I'm talking a little bit of science here, but things which might be of use in the US might not be here, and the things which might be useful here may not have any relevance in other parts of the world. My friend's nephew created a huge startup. Now he's doing so well. Solar power chargers in Africa. If you think, yaar, maine solar charger banane hain and and pitch this idea somewhere in Stanford, yaar, thank you very much. But space and time is very critical. So once I came back, joined, I really felt there's a missing link. हमारे youth को जब West की videos देखते हैं, जो success stories हैं, there's some sort of disconnect. I would strongly recommend. I have actually read that book, Startup Nation. How many of the youngsters especially have gone through that book? It's Startup Nation is about Israel. So अगर किसी ने book नहीं अभी तक पढ़ी, I would strongly recommend review it at least. Right? It's 500, 600 pages, but it tells you a story, or the lessons which come out of that book are strange, and that became the motivation of certain trainings which we started conducting at NUST. Entrepreneur is a function of space and time. People who actually migrated and settled in Karachi, they have the best stories to tell to Pakistan, because this is our own story. But I would strongly recommend that book. Please go over it. It's a good starting point for you guys.